Hello, my name is Dr. Sophia Reed, and I created my book, Fix It Jesus for Single Moms Only, the straightforward, no-nonsense guide to passion, purpose, and prayer, because not only am I a single mother, but also I kept hearing the struggles of other single mothers, struggles about money, relationships, baby daddies, by single mothers who were feeling hurt, single, and like life was just passing them by. And because I could not answer each single mom individually, this book was born. There are 30 days of inspirational messages that are geared towards your specific experiences as a single mom. And guess what? This book was a #1 new release on Amazon and is a bestseller in the single parenting category on Amazon. So if you are a single mom, then this book is for you. What are you waiting for?